Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to do a contra entry in Riyalo accounting software. So first of all, where you have to go is to transaction, accounts, and here there is contra here. Click contra, and to which account you want to debit the money, you should enter here. If it's cash, keep it as cash there. If it's to a bank account or a particular another account, you can select the account on the debit account here, and here you have to select cash and how much cash you are giving to that person or to that account, how much cash you are giving it. So if it's 50 real, enter the amount, and if you want to give any narrations, you can give narrations here and you can save. If it's a cash, keep it as cash as such here, and if you are getting it from bank account or any other account, enter the account name here and enter the amount on how much amount you are taking it as cash, and then save. Thank you.